Most people get this wrong when trying to withdraw money from the Pluto app. They open the app, see money in their account, and assume they can cash out instantly. Then they get stuck on a pending payment, can't find the withdrawal button, or enter the wrong details and delay the whole process. Here's the truth no one tells you. Withdrawing from the Pluto app is usually simple, but only if you follow the exact steps and avoid the common mistakes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw from Pluto step by step, how long it takes, common problems users face, and the fastest way to get your money without delays. So let's get straight into it. If you're new to Pluto, here's a quick explanation. Pluto may be an earning app, finance app, rewards platform, or investment-based app depending on the version or service you're using. Users may earn money through referrals, rewards, tasks, investments, or other features inside the app. Once you have money in your account, the next step is withdrawing it. But here's the problem. Not every balance you see may be available for withdrawal. And this is where most people fail. Many apps separate balances into categories. For example, available balance. Pending balance. Bonus balance. Referral balance. Locked balance. Only certain balances may be withdrawable. For example, Alex sees $250 in his account, but $150 is still pending. Only $100 is available to withdraw. Jake checks carefully and avoids confusion. So step 1 is simple. Open the Pluto app and check your available balance. Now, step 2. Find the withdrawal section. This may be called withdraw, cash out, wallet, transfer, or payout. Depending on the app layout, it may be in your dashboard, wallet, or profile section. Tap it. Now here is where it gets interesting. Some users can't find the withdraw option because their account is not verified. This happens often. Many apps require verification before withdrawals. This may include email verification, phone verification, identity verification, payment verification. For example, John tries to withdraw and sees an error. He verifies his account. Then the withdraw option appears. Simple, fixed IDU. Very common. Now once you're in the withdrawal section, you'll usually see available withdrawal methods. This depends on the app. Common options may include bank transfer, PayPal, LT.Quay, crypto wallet, Pi, debit card, or another local payment option. Choose the one you prefer. But here's the problem. Each withdrawal method may have different rules, different fees, different processing times, different minimum limits. For example, UPI may be fast in India. PayPal may process quickly. Bank transfers may take longer. Crypto may have network fees. So choose wisely. Now let's go step by step. Step 1. Open Pluto.ma. Step 2. Check your available balance. Step 3. Go to withdraw or wallet. Step 4. Choose your payment method. Step 5. Enter the amount. Step 6. Enter your payment details. Step 7. Tie-in. Confirm the withdrawal. That's it. Your request is submitted. Now here's where most people fail. They enter incorrect payment details. Wrong UPI, wrong bank account number, wrong PayPal email. That can delay or fail your withdrawal. For example, Alex enters the wrong email for PayPal. His payment fails. Jake double checks and gets paid. Small mistakes matter. Now in a minute, I'll show you what to do if your withdrawal is pending. Because this is very common. Before that, let's talk about withdrawal limits. Many apps have minimum withdrawal thresholds. For example, $5, $10, $50, or another amount. Some also have maximum daily withdrawal limits. If your amount is below the minimum, you won't be able to cash out. This is where most people fail. They try withdrawing too early. Always check the rules. Now let's talk about processing time. This depends on your payment method. UPI may be same day. PayPal may be within hours. Bank transfer may take 1 to 5 business days. Crypto depends on network speed. If your withdrawal says pending, don't panic immediately. Pending often means it's being processed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some withdrawals are manually reviewed, especially large withdrawals or accounts with unusual activity. This can create delays. For example, John withdraws $10. It processes quickly. Later he requests $500. The app reviews it manually. That takes longer. So bigger withdrawals may mean more waiting. Now let's talk about pending withdrawals. If your payment is pending too long, check your email. Check for verification requests. Check your payment details. Check the app support or fake section. Contact support if needed. A lot of users miss an email and think the app is broken. This is where most people fail. They wait without checking. Now let's cover common withdrawal problems. Problem number 1. Withdraw button missing. Solution. Verify your account. Problem number 2. Withdrawal pending. Solution. Wait and check email. Problem number 3. Withdrawal failed. Solution. Recheck payment details. Problem number 4. Minimum amount not reached. Solution. Earn more first. Problem number 5. Account flagged. Solution. Verify identity or contact support. Now here's the easiest way to avoid delays. Use real information. Verify your account early. Choose fast withdrawal methods. Check email often. And withdraw small test amounts first. Simple. Now let's talk about withdrawal fees. Some apps charge fees. This may be flat fees, percentage fees, crypto network fees. Always check before confirming. For example, Alex withdraws $20 and pays a $5 fee. Jake waits until he has $100 and pays the same flat fee. Jake keeps more. Timing matters. Now here's where it gets interesting. Should you withdraw small or large amounts? Small withdrawals are safer for testing. Large withdrawals may reduce fee percentage. The best move? Do a small test withdrawal first. For example, Jake withdraws $10. It works. Then he withdraws more later. Smart move. Now let's answer a common question. Is Pluto Withdrawal legit? That depends on whether the app is processing payments. If users are receiving money, it may be legitimate. If many users report delays or non-payment, be cautious. Always test first. And never risk more than you can afford to lose. That's the safest approach. Now here's the easiest withdrawal routine. Earn money. Check available balance. Verify account. Choose payment method. Submit a small test withdrawal. Confirm it works. Then, withdraw more later. Simple, and effective. Now let's quickly recap. Open Pluto. Check available balance. Go to withdraw section. Choose payment method. Enter amount. Enter correct details. Confirm request. Wait for processing. Check email. Contact support if needed. That's the full process. Simple once you know the steps. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming every balance is instantly available. Check pending balances. Check limits. Check verification. That saves time. Now you know exactly how to withdraw from the Pluto app. No confusion. No wasted time. No common mistakes. Just the exact process. If this video helped you withdraw from Pluto, hit the like button. Comment below and let me know which payment method worked for you, or if your payment is still pending. And if you want more app tutorials, withdrawal guides, and online earning videos, subscribe now so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.